Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to do the typing. So this is a computer. It's called laptop and laptop's keyboard. So there are three main rows for the letters. So you can see so on the top left there's a Q. So this is a Q letter. Let me highlight that. And you have to start keeping your fingers from Q and then all the way Q W E R T. This is and then and after T there are Y U I O P. So that is the Q through P is one row. Then there is a second row that starts with the letter A. So A S D F G. Okay, those five keys. Then after G starts from the H J K L and semicolon. That semicolon is this one. It's like a semicolon, right? So like a dot and comma, there's a semicolon, right? So that is second row. The third row is Z, also called Z, Z, X, C V B, and N M, comma, dot, slash. You can see that this is slash below this question mark, that is slash, right? So those are the this last third line starts from the Z and ends with slash. Okay, so you have to cover these three lines with two paws or two hands. Okay, and there are like 10 keys in each row, and you have to keep the fingers in this way. This Q, that is your pinky, right? Q, there is a pinky. Then you have a ring finger, that is the second finger. Ring finger, that is on W. Then the middle finger on the next letter, that E, and index finger, that index finger is nearby thumb, right? This is index finger. Let me show you index finger. This is index finger. So index finger, that is on R, right? And with the index finger you have to cover two letters like R and T. Okay, so there are like 5 keys, right? But 4 fingers. So by this index finger you are covering 2 letters. Okay, similarly by the right hand you have to keep position like this. That means P O I U and this Y. So basically this way you have to keep your hands position. Let me show that again. So by this your pinky finger, that is P at the end, and by this index finger you are covering which are 2 letters Y and U, and remaining three fingers you are not moving, those are constant. Okay, and similarly the second row, and second row you have ASDF, those 5 letters, ASDF G up to G, right? But you might have noticed there is one slot here. Can you see of F? Yeah, and on the J also there is one slot. Where is that J? It's here, right? So always you have to keep your fingers in this position, the middle row and the slot here on the index finger, right? Similarly on the left hand also, this is slot, this something rough, right? That rough something slot that is under your index finger. And when you are typing, at that time you are starting like and you are not moving that, right? So, and you are covering 2 letters by this index finger, F and G, okay. Same way, when you have to type, then you can move here like this, Z or X or C, right, in this way. So let me show you that in the picture. We have this. This is the picture of them, just now what we discussed. Right? You can see that QWE, those, and QWE, RT, those 5 letters are covered by left hand. YUIOP, those are covered by right hand. But normally, when you are starting to typing, you have to keep your both hands on the middle row, and your index finger is always on F and H. Like this is there is one slot, and slot here F, and this here on H. So you have to keep like this, ASDF, and so that you can type it. Okay, there is a picture also. So whenever you have to press a tab or give the space, you have to press by thumb. Okay, and there is this picture also shown, and the names of the fingers also mentioned here, like it's a pinky, this is pinky, and this is the ring finger, right? This is middle finger, this is index finger. So here it shows like this index finger is covering 2 letters, V and B. That's why the color is same here. You can see this. And for these 3 fingers, this color is same, like Z, X, C. So normally you will see type like this, QWERT, right? And Y, no. See, you have to keep like normally you are keeping your hands like this. So Y, U, I, O, P. Okay. Similarly, on the lower side, if there is some, you have to type N and M. You are covering by this index finger. Then 3 letters comma, dot, slash. Don't lift your fingers while typing. Just lift only one finger. The letter you are going to press, or key you are going to press. Okay. And whenever you are giving this space, you have to press by your right hand thumb. Similarly, if you are typing and if you want to type uppercase or capital letter, at that time press shift by one hand, right, and press that letter by another hand. Suppose, for example, you want to type in capital S, right, capital S. At that time, press this shift button by your left hand. Press by the right hand and press that S by left hand, because that is under your this ring finger. Press that after pressing this shift by right hand. Okay. This so for example, if let me type something here. Let's start something. Word pen. I'm liking this one. See, if I have like a let me start again that one, next one.